Hi everybody, this is Jake Jones here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, servicing the entire Metroplex here in DFW. Today we are going to shoot through this MasterCraft XT22. This is a 2023 model year. So let's climb inside and check out some of the features we got on it. Before we hop inside, let's just check out the transom for a second. We do have the optional pop-up seat backs here. Great spots where you guys are anchored up, just hanging out. These seat bases do slide out, makes it a little extra comfortable. And my favorite feature on this transom is going to be the swim step. This is a new option for 2023. Makes getting in and out of the boat super easy, and also a great spot to sit while you guys are anchored up. So here in the cockpit, you'll see we have the two-tone cool feel upholstery, the slate gray with the white. One of the awesome things is this step right here on the reversible seat too, so you don't have to step on the upholstery while you're getting in and out of the boat. One of the other awesome things in the cockpit here are these phone holders. You have two on either side, so no more taking up cup holders with your phones. You can actually use them what they're made for, keep the phones out of the way. So underneath you, we also have the C-deck option on this, ties in nicely with the upholstery. And up top, we have the Z6 tower. Super easy to use, two clamps, one on either side, pop them over, pull it down, and it's stowed away for you. So up here in the bow of the boat, you got enough room on either side for a full-size adult here. Cup holders, phone chargers, great spot to hang out, as well as storage underneath everything, as well as your dedicated anchor storage here in the center line of the boat. So great spot for you guys to hang out while you're out there in the water. So up here at the helm, you'll see we do have the dual screen set up here. You have a little cubby here for keys and phones, as well as a wireless phone charger down here by your right knee. This is going to be your full command center, operating everything on the boat. This touchscreen on the right is going to be one of the easiest on the market to set up. It is 2 pushes of a button. You guys are surfing. Thank you guys for checking out this XT22 with me today. Here at MarineMax, we can truly be your one-stop shop, not just for the purchase of the boat, but for the lifelong ownership of that boat. We have an awesome pro shop. We have a very dedicated service team as well. So let's take care of you, not just here, but through the future. Again, my name is Jake. Give me a call at 682-282-9969. Thank you.